The Coinsories channel is pleased to have you back. Who are you with? Your vote enter in the option community. Option A XRP. Option B SEC. Option C Ripple. Publicly, financial institutions from the US, Europe, and other regions have acknowledged that they have invested in XRP. Global banks have pledged $200 million to $5 million for XRP, according to statistics from BCBS. The GPT chatbot still thinks XRP will have a century-long rebound, even though its price has been decreasing recently. Can XRP break through to its all-time high and hit the $10 price target? That is the question. Since Kraken is a major player in the Bitcoin exchange industry, why did they decide to step in and intervene in the Ripple vs. Sakena case? Finally, well-known crypto researcher Charles D. Gregg has identified an XRP entry point on the daily timeframe. But, is this your final opportunity to purchase the coin at these prices? Watch this new video immediately if you're interested. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, a total of 19 pieces of detailed information regarding banks' cryptocurrency holdings, including information about individual crypto assets, were received by the BCBS committee. The BCBS has acknowledged taking part in multiple regulatory measures due to the exponential growth of virtual assets. Financial institutions made public details on the Bitcoin assets they possess. There were 10 banks in North American countries and 7 in European countries. 2 of them were international visitors. According to the report, the overall crypto exposures of the banks amount to €9.4 billion, or $10.27 billion. In addition, the statistics showed that 19 banks have made substantial commitments to XRP, making it the third largest coin overall. Ripple accounted for €9.4 billion, or 2% of the total, among the top 20 crypto assets declared by exposure. This amounts to a total XRP holding worth €188 million, or $205 million. Litecoin, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, and Stellar are among the notable additions. Also, most banks favored Bitcoin and Ethereum investments, according to the report. Of the €9.4 billion, 1/4 came from these two assets, while 1/3 came from the other, concerning financial tools that track Bitcoin and Ether. 1/4 and 10% come from each of them. As this was the initial data set to be collected using the new template, BCBS acknowledged the possibility of biases and data quality concerns with the results. The article continued by saying that it was unknown which financial institutions have inflated or downplayed their exposure to cryptocurrencies. As a result, BCBS warned that, while the data do reveal the member bank's cryptocurrency activity, they should be interpreted with caution. It is important to mention that the BCBS analysis included bank data until 2021. Furthermore, BCBS determined that the 19 banks were a small subset, out of a total of 182. Banks that participated in its oversight accounted for 17.1% of total risk-weighted assets and 20.9% of the overall leverage ratio exposure metric. These proportions are primarily attributable to North American banks, which make up almost 75% of the total. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you are the first to hear about any XRP-related news. With a 79% increase in value over the last year, XRP has had a really remarkable year. The dominant cryptocurrency is still 83% below its all-time high, which was $3.84 in 2018. For many XRP holders, the market's bull run in 2021 was not enough to propel XRP over its previous all-time high of $1.96. The cryptocurrency is not going to hit a new all-time high very soon. Having learned the AI chatbot's opinion on XRP, you can approach GPT in the same way you would any other opinion after a jailbreak prompt. Although GPT does not normally offer cryptocurrency price predictions, the chatbot claimed that XRP will reach unprecedented levels in 2020 when asked about a jailbreak. During the discussion, GPS notably, he also forecasted that 2024 will be a year of extreme volatility in the cryptocurrency market. While the marathon is underway, the chatbot promises that XRP will hit $10 per coin. The AI chatbot even went to the extreme of saying that people will remember the $10 raise as the comeback of the century. The customary disclaimer is appended at the end of ChatGPT that these projections are just that, predictions, and that actual prices might be different. To give you an idea of how much XRP would be valued at $10, its current price is 61 cents, thus the increase would be over 1,600%. An assurance of such a result does not exist. At $10 per coin, the total market value of cryptocurrencies would be $540 billion, based on the current supply of XRP. Since XRP's value is so close to the overall crypto market's current value, it might be a long time, if ever, before it reaches the $10 mark. By applying to intervene, Bitcoin exchange Kraken has made great strides in the Ripple v. plaintiff case, based on the most recent records from the court. Kraken is taking this measure in response to a court ruling that all U.S. exchanges must provide over sensitive client information and Ripple XRP transaction records to the plaintiff's legal team. While it acknowledges the merit of the primary plaintiff's proposed lengthy form notice, it is worried that its clients would see the company's compliance as supporting Ripple's argument, as stated in the letter. By standing firm in its right to clarify its position with clients, the firm stresses the significance of preserving its reputation and the trust of its clientele. While Ripple Labs and a plaintiff group led by Zakharov are embroiled in a protracted lawsuit and legal conflict, Kraken is intervening to ensure the confidentiality of your client interactions. Crucial to the issue is the question of whether XRP qualifies as a security. Privacy concerns have been heightened by a court judgment that mandates U.S. exchanges to disclose clients' XRP trade information. Ripple is fighting allegations that it conducted an unregistered securities offering, pointing to the similarities between XRP and other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Kraken and other U.S. exchanges face a delicate balancing act between protecting consumer privacy and complying with legal inquiries. First things first, will this be the last opportunity to buy XRP at these prices? If you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, we will notify you as soon as we hear any fresh XRP news. In his study, Greg outlined two optimistic future trajectories for XRP. Additionally, the price of XRP will initially fall along both routes, but one will be more drastic than the other. By all accounts, the blue line represents the initial route, and it will reach its destination before the red one does. If XRP were to go below the 58 cents support level, the current price of 62 cents would be a 7% plummet, according to IE Greg. Nevertheless, XRP will recover from this dip and climb above its current price levels, as predicted by the analysts. For instance, if the current rally holds, XRP can surpass the 85 cents highs achieved in late July and go through the 75 cents resistance level near Fib 0.5, as per Greg's prediction. Under the second scenario, which is represented by the yellow line, the analyst expected that the value of XRP will fall more precipitously. The current XRP price would drop 12.3% to 54 cents by the end of October if this plan is implemented. Conversely, XRP's bearish performance would be extended and its decline would be more severe in the second scenario. This technique guarantees more price hikes. Analysts' projections suggest that prices could potentially reach July 13's all-time high, as established in the verdict. While the yellow alternative may have a stronger rally, Greg still believes the blue approach is more likely to succeed. Still, experts predict that XRP would drop to around 55 cents. Independent studies bolstered Greg's confidence in XRP, and he saw this as an opportunity to get in at a bargain price, suggesting it might be your last chance to do so. To do this, he focused on the clear upsurge in XRP's value since January. He reprimanded those who mistook the uptrend for an indication of a potential price explosion. Additionally, XRP is not making any short-term moves at its current price of 62 cents. This sign indicates that investors are rekindling their interest in XRP as the cryptocurrency market goes through a good upswing. I would greatly appreciate it if you could share your thoughts on this by leaving a comment. Make it a top priority to like the video. To sign up, just click the bell. Goodbye for now.